How to delete Headball 2 account permanently. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If you are trying to finally get rid of your Headball 2 account, then don't worry, you're in the right place. First of all, start by launching Headball 2 on your device and make sure you're inside the homepage. Once you're in, go ahead and tap on the arrow button at the top right corner in green to open up this expanded menu, from where you need to tap on the gear button. Now this will open up settings. Click on My Account from the expanded menu. On the next page, tap on the Delete Account button in yellow. Deleting your account is permanent and you'll lose all of your progress in the game, so make sure you really want to delete your account. If you're sure you do, click on the Confirm button at the bottom in red to confirm your account deletion. So that way you'll be able to delete your Headball 2 game permanently. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.